on the Map, or BOOM, is a National Lottery Heritage Fund project aimed at bringing back 10 species of animals and plants that are threatened with extinction in the UK, and aimed at bringing them back to a special part of South Cumbria, Morecambe Bay.
So we're working from Barrow-in-Furness out west to the Arnside and Silverdale area of outstanding natural beauty in the east and Grisdale Forest in the north, across 600 square miles of limestone grassland, lowland raised bogs, brownfield sites and spectacular woodlands. And the landscapes of South Cumbria contain a rich mosaic of nationally and internationally important protected areas which have been carefully managed and restored. So to transform these areas into resilient, functioning ecosystems, we now need to return those species which are endangered or locally extinct with and for the benefit of the local communities.
And this is what the BOOM vision is all about, creating a biologically richer South Cumbria that is championed by these communities. Not only do we want to reverse a biodiversity decline that's happening across Cumbria and the UK, but we hope that in turn this will provide benefits for the people involved and the people that are helping us, whether this is through increased knowledge and skills from training and workshops, improved mental well-being, or literally just offering the opportunity to people of any background to get out into nature, to meet new people in an environment that they may not have had the opportunity to access otherwise. We think people really are at the heart of the BOOM project, and it's the most valuable and integral part of the whole process. So what species are we reintroducing? We're looking at the hazel dormouse to hopefully create the second only population in Cumbria. We're looking at the feasibility of the pine marten and the corncrake so that we can hopefully reintroduce these in subsequent years of the project. We're hoping to boost and extend the populations of small blue and Duke of Burgundy butterfly, and we're also working with some fantastic plant species such as the green-winged orchid, spiked speedwell, maidenhair fern and sundews, so that we can put these back into the bogs, limestone grassland habitats of Morecambe Bay where they belong.
So those are our species. But what do we actually mean by the term reintroduction? Well, reintroduction is the movement of an animal or a plant from a healthy donor population to another area where it used to occur naturally but is now locally extinct. Why do we do it? Well, we do it to expand the geographic range of a species and to establish a new self-sustaining population. So from the elusive pine marten, which declined dramatically in England and Wales due to historic woodland clearance and persecution, to the charming hazel dormouse. Reintroduction, as a rigorous scientific process, is being used across all parts of the UK as a tool to restore nature.
One great group we've already been working with to help us restore these rare plants is ArtGene. ArtGene is an arts-based charity in Barrow-in-Furness, but they've recently created an allotment, a community allotment on Walney Island. ArtGene have mainly been helping us with the Aspen project, which involves small groups of people going out to known aspen locations, collecting some roots, propagating these roots, growing them on and then planting them back out into the landscape. It's dedicated groups like ArtGene that really keep the project moving, and we couldn't be more grateful for the support that they provide us.
The more we can see that other people care, the more it helps to actually build that momentum. And there's something about that shared sense of responsibility, that sense that, well, listen, I'm not alone in this. There's loads of people who care about this. That actually helps to create a movement that brings about change. And this is what the BOOM project is all about. It's about showing what's possible when people come together. It takes grit and determination to bring a species back from the brink of extinction. And there are some rare and shining examples of where this has happened across the country, and it's truly got the power to not just heal our relationship with nature, but with ourselves. So if you're watching this and you're wondering if this might be for you, might be for your community, find out more, get involved, and jump on the boom bandwagon.